Hey everyone, welcome to Around the Table, our little new web series that we're doing during COVID-19, something we hoped to practice and keep doing once this is finished, and hopefully we can do this properly, which means you have a host and then you have a co-host, or you have the specialist and the host asks questions of the specialist. Crazy enough as it is, I can't be on the screen the same time that Matt is, but I'm going to introduce you to our front of house cocktail programming specialist, Matt Blong, in a minute, and he's going to show us how to do a drink for you guys at home.
How's it going? Today we're going to give you a quick and easy drink to make that's been on the Roundtable menu for about 4 years now. It's one of our most popular non-alcoholic cocktails. Really simple to make at home. It is 3 ingredients to get started. All right?
Okay, this is called the Don't Call Me Shirley.
So first off, you want to start off with a nice glass of ice. Pretty easy place to start for everything. And then we also have orange juice, lemon lime soda. You can use syrup. We use 7-Up. It is my personal favorite. And then we also have grenadine, very common bar ingredient.
So what is grenadine?
Grenadine is a cordial, so it's a sugar syrup, basically. It is a weird one. It is actually a little bit of a pomegranate flavor, I believe.
Yes, pomegranate reduction. Nice. Okay, so what do we got? What do we do?
Cool. So this is our take on a Shirley Temple. So we call it the Don't Call Me Shirley.
Ah, classic Shirley Temple.
So it's a classic Shirley Temple is actually the lemon lime soda and the grenadine, which you are going to pour both of these ingredients into the glass. But I usually actually start with the orange juice. It's the nice base.
Is there a reason for starting with the orange juice?
I actually like when you pour in with the 7-Up, it gives you a little bit of that carbonation moving around the grenadine as you pour it in. So I go orange juice, then I go grenadine.
Oh, I see.
I finish with the lemon lime soda.
Ooh, that gives you a nice pink
Gives
flavor.
you a nice color there, and then take a spoon. Give it a quick stir.
All right, hold that up, see what that looks like.
And you're good to go.
Oh, okay. How is it?
Delicious.
Nice and
All
sweet.
right, thanks for coming out. We'll get you guys some more cocktail videos, mocktail videos, all that fun stuff coming across the bar. All right, have a good one.